Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this mini backpack stylish purse. Alright, so right here we have our backpack purse. This is offered in 8 different colors. So this one here has multi-pockets. They've got a hidden zipper pocket, front pocket, side elastic pockets. It's got a back anti-theft pocket. You got a large opening pocket, side pockets, open pockets, pen slot, zipper pockets, so this can hold a lot of stuff. And this does come with a bag, so when you're not using it, it has a dust-proof bag, so that's right here. This will help protect the purse when you're not in use. You can connect your own power bank inside this and run your cell phone to charge on this backpack. So it is super easy. All you need is a power bank and a USB charging cord, and you can charge up your device. So when you're not using it, it has a little bag here. You stick your bag in there, your little purse. You can draw the string and close it up, so that helps protect the purse. So this backpack purse is very convenient. It has one main compartment, 2 front zipper compartments, 2 side elastic pockets, 1 back anti-theft pocket, which provides multifunctional for your tablet, wallet, umbrellas, or your water bottle, as well as cosmetic, headsets, credit cards, and your phone. So you can see how super nice this is. Not only do you have a hand grip, but you also have a grip on the back that you can use it as a backpack. So this here is so durable and waterproof. This mini backpack is made of high density nylon fabric and polyester lining. That the material makes the backpack stronger and water resistant. So if you're out in the rain, it won't affect your backpack. This is super lightweight, about less than 2 pounds. The size is of 9.1 length by 12.2 inch high by 5 inches deep, which will fit up to 11-inch iPad Pro. So you got a little pocket here, one in the front. You got one in the very front. You've got the main compartment right here. So this one here is super huge inside. You got pockets all the way on the inside. You got one on each side, up the front and back. And then there's a little pocket here on the very back. That is where you will connect your battery charger. So not this part right here, it's on the back. That's where you put your power bank in there so you can charge your device. You do get little tiny pockets in here. So you can see that there's a little pocket, and then you got a charging cable right here. That is what you will connect to your power block, and then the phone will connect on the outside. So you do get a lot of pockets on the inside. So when you connect your phone device, you'll just plug it in here, and then the other part will go into the power bank so you can charge your device on the go. This is also a really nice charging cable that is included with it. The backpack provides a more convenient, easy way to charge devices. So if you have a tablet, you're on the way, you could put your tablet inside this purse and you can charge it while you're shopping or on the go, as well as your phone. It's got really nice little straps. These are really durable. They are adjustable, so you can loosen them or tighten them however they fit. So not only can you use this as a backpack, but you can also use it as a purse. This right here material is super soft. It doesn't pull or weigh you down when you're wearing it. The best thing about this purse backpack, it does have a lot of compartments to put all your stuff in there. So right now I'm just going to loosen this. So it does loosen very longly, and it also tightens up really tight. So if you are a small person, you can use this, or if you're a larger person, you can use this. It has a pocket right here in the back. So if you have your wallet or your phone, you don't have to worry about it gets stolen, because this is kind of like a hidden pocket right here. You do have side pockets here on the side where you could put your water bottle or any of your drink here on the side. But this one right here is a super long pocket. It goes all the way almost to the other side, but it does not open on the other side. So this pocket right here, you can add in your water bottle, and they have so many other pockets to put your contents in there, including an iPad, a phone. You can charge it all at the same time with this. It has a charging cable that is included. So if you're looking for a purse backpack, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one does a great job of holding all your contents, including your iPad or your phone.